Want to change your Gmail password to keep your account secure? Whether you're updating it regularly, think someone else may know your password, or simply want a stronger one, changing your password only takes a few minutes. Yeah, in this guide, I'll show you exactly how to change your Gmail password in 2026. Start by signing in to your Gmail account. Then click your profile picture in the top right corner and select Manage your Google account to open your account settings. Next, click the Security tab from the menu on the left. Scroll down until you find the How You Sign In to Google section, then select Password. Google may ask you to sign in again before allowing you to change your password. Enter your current password or complete any additional verification steps if prompted. Now enter your new password, then type it again to confirm. Choose a strong password with a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid using passwords you've used before. Click Change Password to save your new credentials. Once the update is complete, you'll need to use your new password the next time you sign into Gmail or any other Google service. If your browser or password manager has your old Gmail password saved, update it with your new one. Yeah, this helps prevent future sign-in problems across your devices. And that's how to change your Gmail password in 2026. Changing your password regularly is one of the easiest ways to keep your Google account safe and protect your personal information. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.